चल रास्ता लेके आओ लाओ
और धवन का ब्लॉग में आने का मौका मिल गया।
अरे शाउट आउट देने का ले लो ना फोन में।
वो उधर वाला तो छोटा था, इधर का ज़्यादा बड़ा बनाया था।
You are too heavy. If you sit on your head, तो तरंग नहीं. This one is correct. How I will cover you? Like this.
Ras, Basumatri. Hello. ठीक है ऐसे तो बाकी रखते थे।
ओए कुंडे जाते
आते
हार गया है क्या? ऐसे हार गया है क्या तुम?
Laura. Come on, go Bali! Muda tilok Tawin!
Come on! What happened?
Go!
Why, Lila? Come on, I cheat! I cheat!
सबको भेजेगा या जाओ लोग जाओ सबको कुलदीप जाओ
Assistant Professor Vikram sir and my dear teachers and my dear faculty members as well as my dear freshers. I'm your co-host, I'm your host Yaifawa Singha, and I will make sure that this night is going to be full of music, laughter, memories that you'll cherish forever. But hey, hosting such a happening event all alone, that wouldn't be fair. So I would like to call upon my co-host, the girl with the vibe, the girl with the energy, none other than Tanu Kumari.
Thank you, Eva. Hello, everyone. Hello. It feels amazing to be here with you all. I'm your co-host and partner in crime for tonight, and I promise we'll make this evening unforgettable for you all.
For sure, Tanu, for sure. This evening is for sure going to be unforgettable for some of you guys. But hey, before we move forward, I may now humbly invite our respected Managing Director sir, along with our honorable Assistant Director sir, Vikram sir, to kindly come forward and do the honors of lighting the lamp. I request everyone to kindly stand up for the lighting of the lamp. You know Tanu, sometimes I wonder, जब लोग गुजर जाते हैं, इस दुनिया से चले जाते हैं, तो वो कहाँ जाते होंगे?
दादी जी तो कहती थी वो स्टार्स बन जाते हैं यार.
Dadi ji must be right, but you know what Tanu? For some people, death is just a concept. वो उन लोगों ने अपनी जिंदगी में ऐसे काम कर रखे होते हैं और इतने पुण्य कमाए होते हैं कि वो हम सब के दिलों में जिंदा रहते हैं. As the saying goes, legends never die.
Everyone, today on the occasion of AIP Freshers to 2025, we have gathered here to celebrate each and every one out here. But before we start the proceedings, it is our duty to remember and honor the life and enduring legacy of a man who was more than just a singer. He was the heartbeat, the heartthrob of Assam, an emotion that connected millions, the voice of the common people, and a man who lived his life on his own terms. Zubeen Garg, our beloved Zubinda, who left an irreplaceable void in the world of art and culture.
Looks so pleasant, charming. I can see every beautiful girl. See, I can see all the handsome guys. Okay, first of all, respected Vikram sir, Shivaji sir, my teachers, my dear freshers, my juniors, and my fellow mates. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to our freshers.
साबुन स्लो है।
गाना बजा गाइस वेट टेक्निकल इश्यूज हो रहा होगा यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा हमारे म्यूजिक सिस्टम में थोड़े लोग स्लो बैठे हैं ओके टाइम फॉर टैलेंट दर्शन प्लीज कुछ दिखा दो यार
Myself Darsimar Armara. I'm from Meghalaya, not Garo Hills.
come on let's make North Garo Hills proud come on
My main game is athletic, 100 meter.
Thank you.
Julius Cornelio. I'm from Meghalaya, Shillong. My main sport is football.
Good evening everyone, my name is Yatita Hajarika. I'm from Guwahati, Assam and my main game is badminton.
Everyone clap for Ria.
yang sakit. What I think is ganda yang
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass.
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma fight my way through the blood and pain. Game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got none. I'll be standing on my own. Never gonna take my throne. I got no rival. Watch 'em.
A very good evening to everyone present here. My name is Ridemaya Lingwar of BPEd first semester. I'm from Meghalaya, Shillong, and my main game is table tennis. And I have passed out my BPS from this college only. So thank you so much.
A very warm good morning. A very warm good evening to everyone present out here. Respected teachers, seniors, juniors, and my dear classmates. My name is Yangchin Choden Lepcha, and I'm from a very peaceful and organic state, Sikkim, and my main game is badminton, and I also play basketball. And that's it. Thank you.
Can't stop me now.
to them
Thank you everyone for cheering me, and also for one guy who was telling me to go back. Thank you everyone, and have a great night.
lovely
First and foremost, I would like to thank the respected teachers for your tireless efforts and dedication has brought this event to life. And then second, I would like to thank the organizing committee and the volunteers for your hard work and dedication. And finally to the freshers, hope we had a fantastic time, and thank you. Good night.
Good night. Good night.